A lot of traders have been so afraid of trading because of the news they hear every day about traders blowing off their account and going back to nothing. Last few weeks, I uploaded a poll on my community tab and almost 50% of traders agreed that they are scared of trading because of their relatives or their friend failed in trading. In this video, we would be discussing why many traders failed and how you will be able to avoid this loopholes so you won't take these mistakes they made. But before getting into this discussion, I'm Divinee, also known as CryptoBoy on YouTube. I'm a cryptocurrency and forex trader, which has gained a lot of experience in the forex and cryptocurrency market. In this video, I will be giving y'all multiple reasons why traders fail in this industry. Please, if you find this video interesting, you can let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. You can also tell us about your experience in going against this rule. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Firstly, there are multiple reasons why traders fail. In fact, there are hundreds and thousands of reasons why traders fail, but in this video, I will be giving you just 5 reasons why I think traders fail, and if you listen and take notes of this reason, I'm very sure you would avoid the loopholes and enjoy the life trading gives you as a self-employed individual. These reasons are as follows. 1. No plan or goal. A lot of traders has neglect taking trading as a business, yet they want it as a lifetime career without no goal. To me, I believe anything worth doing requires a plan. Like starting a business requires a plan, building a house requires a plan, which are digging the ground, laying a foundation, raising the house with blocks and so on. These traders knows these things, yet they enter into trading with no plan and goal. Okay, tell me, how do you expect that trader to not fail in trading or blow up their trading account? Just imagine starting up a business with no goal and plan. Even if you have all the money in this world, at some point that business will crumble and fail. As it is in business, that is how it is in trading too. The advantage of having a goal is to know if you're really achieving something in your trading game, and the advantage of having a plan is to know that you're sticking to your rules and not going against them. So, when you do go against them, you would hold yourself accountable and not the chart or candlesticks. If traders starts having plans and goals, I do not think a lot of traders will fail. 2. Emotion. Have you ever wondered why you do so well in your demo account than your real account? It is plainly because of emotion, which is tied with your money. As a human, we get so emotionally tagged with money, especially if we worked so hard for the money. But let me tell you this, in trading, emotion kills your growth. You have to see your money as a number which adds or remove, not as a value. Professional traders knows this, that is why they keep getting successful in trading and you keep beating your chest and wondering why. It is simply because they tend to be emotionless when it comes to money, and they tend to focus more on if they are correct with that trade or not. When trading, I'd advise you to detach yourself from the money and focus on the trade itself and the result. I know it is hard to do this, but with this way, I guarantee you that you would stop taking unnecessary losses, because as a human with brains, we tend to be correct but emotions kills us. That is why when you see a trade going against you, you tend to cancel your position, and immediately you cancel the position, the trade would start to go your way, which may cause you unnecessary losses if only you waited for a little while and let the trade flow. 3. Indiscipline. In trading, you must be disciplined to gain a lot with trading. I have never seen a professional trader who is not disciplined, because 1. They follow their rules. 2. They leave their trade the way it is, and they do not tend to adjust anything when the trade is going against them or for them, like shifting their stop lose so they won't get stopped out, and so on. 3. They journal their trade and write down the cause of their loss so they can learn from them. I see a lot of traders not writing anything down when taking trades. Beginners traders think this is just a game when nothing is taking serious, yet they want to make X amount of dollars in the market. Now I want you to tell me, how do you intend to make serious money in the market when you're far from discipline? Firstly, you don't follow your rules or any rules. Secondly, you focus more on the money to feel your ego and not the result. Then you say trading is very risky. I agree, trading is risky, but if you want to be among the top 10% of profitable traders, then you must be disciplined even when you do not want to be disciplined. To me, I always say to myself that trading is easy, but easy isn't simple. You still have to put your eyes on the small goals, and then with consistency, that small goals will turn into a big one. If the top 10 profitable traders can do this, then I so much think we could all do this. The fourth on our list is risk management. As a beginner trader, you are bound to lose many trades. Yes, I said that. You're bound to lose as many as 5 trades in a row. So if you're on a losing spree, do not get angry at yourself because it is normal to lose, but what is the problem is for you to keep blowing your account in the name of you're a beginner in trading, which doesn't make any sense to me or anyone, and that is when risk management comes in. I remember in 2019 when I just got into trading, I wasn't caring much about risk management. I was only looking at the winning side instead of the losing side. I remember trading a $100 account and using high leverage on GBP, USD, and before the trade got to my stop loss, I was already liquidated. Amazing, right? The worst part is that the $100 bill wasn't for me. It was for a friend in college at that time, and I remember working my ass off to raise that money to pay back. I guess I learned the hard way, but you don't have to learn the hard way too. When you take my experience and advice, I'm very sure that you will be good, I assure you. First, what is risk management? According to Google, risk management in Forex is one of the most important aspects that is directly related to the outcome of your success as a trader. Risk management is the ability to contain or limit your losses. This is done in a way that you do not end up losing all your capital on just one single trade. In Forex, my risk management is using 20% of my capital to take a trade and at least not setting anything above 5 to 2% of that for loss. This is because you have to protect your capital at all means, especially if you're a beginner and you do not work at any job. Your capital should be your number one priority. Do not think about how much you're willing to gain in a trade because that will make you more selfish. Think about how much you will be willing to lose, and if you're not cool about the amount you're willing to lose, then you can decrease the amount you're using to trade or the leverage to the exact amount you're cool with. After this, set your trade. Do not look at your chart again. Just let the market decide if you're right or wrong. If you're wrong, you will learn from the trade. If you're right, congratulations, you're now in profit. This is very simple, but many traders fails to do this. This is all you need to know in this video, but before you go, I will tell you something motivating so it can help you push your day in this trading industry. I know you're a winner and you're born to win. I know you feel like you aren't doing much as it stands now, but let me tell you this, you can do it. If Mr. A, B, C, and D can all become a profitable trader passing all these challenges, growing $10 into $1,000, getting all these money, all these luxury of life, all these cars, then I think you can do it because we all are the same. They were like you and I, failing in the market repetitively, but they never gave up or back out, so I don't want you to give up. Keep pushing even if it burned now. Just keep pushing through because I'm very sure the tile will definitely come when you will remember this day and laugh with tears of joy in your eye. You don't have to feel good at this beginning stage because they say, beginning is always the hardest. Just do your thing and I hope success will definitely locate you, and this is a must. Thank you. In case you do not know me, I'm CryptoBoy Pat. I talk about trading here on YouTube. If you love these content and want more of these, then you can go on by clicking the like and subscribe button. Thanks.